Hey, welcome to Email Dino Training Series. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your rating element. Here on the page, you have a live preview of your ratings that how it will look like in your email. And on the left, you have an options to change the ratings design and details according to your theme. In the Design tab here, you can choose the different types of icon. Whether the star suits you, the heart suit you, whether the thumb sign suits you, you can choose anyone that matches your objective. You can also change the color of the icon. You can write the description on the left and on the right. It means that when your customers give you 2 thumbs, what does it mean? And when the customer gives you 5 thumbs, what does it mean? This description helps customers to know what they're going to do with this rating. And you can also change the description text color. You can change the entire element background color that match your theme. Let's move forward to the Links tab. In the Links tab, you have 5 options, where you can put a URL of in each rating. That simple means when the customers give you 1 rating where you want them to drive. And when the customer give you 2 ratings where you want them to drive that customers. And when the customer gave you 5 ratings where you want them to drive. You can put URL for each rating and you can drive each and every customer to the different page. Whether if they give you 1 thumb rating, you can show the message that make him happy or make them give you 5 ratings next time. Or if the customers give you 5 thumbs rating, you may want to drive customer to a page where you can say thank you and give more appreciation. Here you can write the URL for each and every customers. After creating your rating element, here on the top right you can save your rating element. After a few seconds you can have the get code. Click on the get code and copy the code and paste it in your email theme. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.